Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you how to create this unique seating chart frame. I've been receiving a lot of questions on our website and on our Etsy page about how to create this frame. So I thought that I would take a few minutes just to show you how easy it is to create this yourself. Everything that I use in this video, I will include a link to in the comments section below. The first thing you want to do is choose a design from our website or from our Etsy page. We have a large variety of designs to choose from. Once you've purchased a design that works for you, you can easily download the file and edit in Adobe Acrobat Reader. When you open the file in Adobe Reader, you can easily edit the blue highlighted sections. You can type in each table number, then list the name of your guests. When you're finished with 2 table pages, you can print them on cardstock. Then you can go back to your file, edit, and print the next set of table pages. Once you have printed all of the table pages, you can easily trim them to their 5x7 size. You can use scissors, or I prefer to use an X-Acto knife. You can also print the head 8x10 sign on 8.5x11 cardstock, then trim down to size using the crop marks. Both the 5x7 and the 8x10 signs can easily print on standard 8.5x11 cardstock. I have decided to work at my coffee table, which is a little awkward, but you'll get to see the whole process easily, and that's all that really matters. I'm going to use a 20x30 inch frame, which is great for 4 to 6 table pages. Or if you have a larger guest list, you can use the 24x36 size frame, which can accommodate 8 to 10 pages. First, you will need your template that you purchased on creativeuniondesign.com, your large frame. You will also need scissors, ribbon or twine, I'm going to use twine, a bunch of clothespins, and a hot glue gun. To get started, you'll want to remove everything from the frame, including the glass and the backing. You can purchase both size frames at a local craft store, or you can purchase them from Amazon. Now you can see that we have a nice empty frame. I like to map everything out first, so I can get a sense of how everything will fit. You can play around with the layout and see what works best for you. Here you can see that I was playing around with the layouts to see which option would work best for this frame. Once you have a sense of how everything will work, you can start to adhere the twine to the inside back of the frame. You can do this by adhering one side of the twine with a hot glue gun, and then let this dry completely. The hot glue will be completely dry within about 15 minutes. Then just repeat with your hot glue gun on the back of the other side of the frame. Be sure to hold in place for a few minutes so that the twine remains tight while drying. Once the glue is completely dry, you can begin to hang the pages. You can use your clothespins to attach the signs to the twine. You can use standard clothespins, or you can use miniature clothespins. Again, it's your preference on what you would like. Once all the pages are hung on the twine, you can easily display this on a tabletop or sit on a shelf against a wall so your guests can easily find their way to their seats. Thank you for watching our video on how to create your own seating chart frame. If you have any ideas for a DIY video that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate the support. Thank you for watching, and have fun designing.